The news helicopter hovers in low over the 747. McClane hangs out the helicopter doorway. The helicopter hovers over the wing of the 747 as it taxis along the runway. Then McClane jumps and lands on the wing. The chopper quickly banks away.
What are you doing out on the wing of this plane?
He removes his jacket. Esperanza's in the pilot's seat. McClane has wedged his coat under the aileron.
Mierda. There's something wrong. The ailerons can't take off.
He sees McClane out of the window and says, "Son of a bitch."
It's McClane again.